Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video we will learn how to solve ngrok tunnel not found error. Well, many of you asked me how to solve tunnel not found error and why it happens. Well, it happens because Kali Linux is installed in VirtualBox. So without wasting your time, let's start the video. But before it, please subscribe my channel and like the video. Firstly, you need to delete ngrok from your Kali Linux machine, and now just follow my steps. Open any browser and in the search bar type ngrok. Click on the first link. Click on the sign up button. Now for email, we are going to use temporary mail service. So just type temp mail. Click on the first link. So here is our temporary mail address. Just copy it. Now open the tab. Type your name and paste the email. Ctrl+Shift+V. Set the password. Click on I am not a robot and sign up. Well, it is showing the correct password must be of 10 characters. So just do it. Click on I am not a robot and sign up. Now account is created. Now just click on the download for Linux. Now it is downloading. Meanwhile, just open the terminal. Now cd the directory where the download file will be saved. Now it is downloaded. Just open the terminal. Type ls. So here is our file. So here is all the commands that we are going to use. But for now we just need this command, authentication token. So just copy it. Now open the terminal, type unzip and the file name. Press enter. Now it is completed. So it is our unzipped file. So just paste it. Now the authentication token is saved. So to use ngrok, just type /ngrok http and the port number, for example 8080, and press enter. Now it is showing the status online and here is the URL. Now you will not get any error, and if you get, you can comment down and I will provide another solution. So thanks for watching, and if you want any other tool tutorial you can comment down, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you again for watching.